Morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the elements of mechanical engineering, module 1. In the module 1, we have the introduction to mechanical engineering. So in the mechanical engineering, you will see the engineering industries in the society uh, and how much contribution you're going to make from the mechanical engineering field. So emerging trends and technologies in different sectors such as energy, manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, and marine sector. So mechanical engineering, it is extended to all major different domains where it is very much essential in the daily life. So if it is a automotive industry, as you know that automotive vehicles will be moving daily. So energy resource and power plant is in the second part of the first module. So there you are going to discuss about different type of hydel power plant, thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, solar power plant, tidal power plant, and the wind power plant. So how the energy is transferred from one location to the other locations and how it is utilized for some useful applications. This chapter tells about the energy sources and the power plant. In the second module, you are going to deal with the machine tool operation. So in the machine tool operation, you are going to see what a lathe is, how it is constructed, what are the parts it has got, what is the principle of working of a center lathe, what are the operations you are going to carry out by using lathe, what material each parts of the lathe is made up of, turning, facing, knurling, thread cutting, taper turning by different tool posts. So you are going to know it. You are going to know about the lathe parts and its operations. In the next part of the second module, you will know about what is a drilling machine is, what are the drilling operations you are going to carry out. It may be drilling, boring, reaming, tapping, countersinking, and contouring operations you are going to learn. In the third part, that is about the milling. We are going to learn about the principle and working of milling machine. We are going to know about up milling and down milling and different type of operations like plain milling, end milling, and slot milling. You will be able to know. So this is about the second module. So the fourth module, in the third module, we are going to learn about the IC engines. We are going to learn about what is an IC engine. We will be knowing about classification of IC engine. What are the components of IC engines? We are going to learn about the two-stroke and four-stroke petrol engine and diesel engine, and we are going to check out the performance of IC engine, insight into future mobility technologies, that is introduction to electric and hybrid vehicles, working principles, advantage and disadvantages of electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles, emission standards followed for the electric vehicles. So the fourth module you are going to learn about the mechanical power transmission, that is about the belt drives. So open belt drive, cross belt drive, how to calculate its length, how to control its tension. So this you are going to know in the belt drive. So further it is extended to gear drives. You are going to know about different type of gears available. It is per gear, helical gear, bevel gear, foreign gear, track and pinion, velocity ratio of all these gears, simple and compound gear type. So all these things you are going to know in the fourth module. Apart from this, you are going to know about different type of joining material process, that is it may be welding, soldering, pressing, how the process is carried out. So what are the advantages and disadvantages of soldering, pressing, and welding? So you'll be having all basic knowledge about the power transmission and the joining process. So the last module you are exposed to what is a CNC machine, what are the components of CNC, what are its advantages and applications of CNC, concept of part manufacturing and industrial IoT. Further, you are going to know about what is robotics. Under robotics, you are going to learn about the control system, that is open loop and closed loop control system, and how it is utilized in the robot. What are the different types of joints and links available in the robot? Overall robot anatomy, applications of robot in material handling, processing, assembly, and inspection. So these are all the 5 module contents you are going to know in the first module. In all the module, you are going to cover all these contents apart from the first module, so that you'll be learning complete all the 5 modules of elements of mechanical engineering. So discussing about the first module content syllabus, introduction to mechanical engineering, source and power plant we'll be discussing in detail. So there are 5 COs which will be covering the elements of mechanical engineering. First is understand the basic concept of mechanical engineering in the field of energy and its utilization, determining conventional and advanced machining processes in manufacturing of component, interpret the fundamental concept of engines and future mobile technology, apply the basic concept of transmission systems, mechatronics and robotic application, enumerate the applications of engineering materials and joining process in manufacturing. So starting with the first module, introduction to mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering, it is meant for developing the new technologies for a number of industries including transport, healthcare, construction, robotics. So like this, mechanical engineering is extended to different domain. Mechanical engineers are people who carry out research and also projects to help the society lives more comfortably and effectively. They develop machines which most of them are very close to the lives of people, like gadgets from smartphones and tablets to big machines like car and factory machines. So like this, the mechanical area is extended to almost all the fields, so that it is needed for the overall aesthetics, overall transmission of energy systems. So like this, it is extended to different domains so that it is useful in the daily life. So what is the role of mechanical engineering in the society? What does a mechanical engineer do? Mechanical engineer will create and develop mechanical system for all the humankind concerned with principles of forces, energy and motion. Why mechanical engineering is called as mother of all the engineering is, without machine we cannot manufacture any electrical or electronic device. Without metal we can't transfer electricity. Without molding we can't produce a single brick. Without design we can't make a motherboards, and there is no scope for the software which has to be used. So like this, it is extended to different domains. Without mechanical engineering, if you want to develop a product, it is really difficult. So as mechanical engineering plays a significant role in contributing all the fields. So here he is going to design, develop, test the machine as well as thermal devices. It also includes systems that are essential to many aspects of modern society and industry. So the power generation, heat and cooling system, that is AC, the transportation, industrial equipments, infrastructure. So like this, we have different types of outputs. So here, in each case, mechanical engineer is, for example, if you take in power generation, he has to design and develop power generating machines such as IC engines, gas turbines, steam, wind turbines, power generation plants. So like this, different types of systems is required which has to be designed and installed at the workplace by the mechanic. The heating and cooling system, so ventilation, refrigeration, air conditioning system for building and other structures, and if you want to maintain AC for the software companies, all these are a part of the heating and cooling system. Transportation, mechanical engineers are involved in designing and developing transport system including cars, planes, airplanes, steamers and boats. They design, develop, maintain industrial equipment such as machine tools, robots, and conveyor systems and beds. In infrastructure, the key role in the design and maintenance of infrastructure is including buildings, bridges, roads, transportation systems. So there, all these locations, they play an important role. So what contribution they can give to the society? So eliminate excessive usage of resource by optimizing and improving efficiency to build things that make the world a better living place. Reduces human effort and makes work easy. It plays a crucial role in all the ways of living: transportation, medical, agriculture, defense, and power generation. So what is the role of mechanical engineer? So here you can see, here is linked to develop automotive vehicles within a short time by using robots. Even he'll be able to use in the field of agriculture, where you want to supply water and you want to cut the grass and the agricultural system, and is going the chemical field also. By using the microstructures you'll be able to use, and design of the speed trains, in design using of CNC machines, changing from conventional method to the computer controlled CNC machines, in designing the aircrafts, in designing the ships, like this in all the fields the mechanical engineer plays the role.